It was a jazz driver there, wasn't it? So, kind of explains everything.
Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? We're around the corner from Nanny's house. What?
BMW taxi.
Did he go for a red light then?
I'm debating whether or not to award him a red light award or not, because he was stopped, so he should have stayed there, really. TBH.
I think we should award him the red light.
We'll award him a red light?
Yeah.
Okie dokie. Go cha-ching!
Cha-ching!
There you go. Oh, you dirty, dirty little bitch! Dickhead, 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 dickhead. It's not hard, is it, to stay in the fucking lines? Oh my god, man, old people. The thing is, they've been driving the longest. They've been driving the longest out of most of the people on the road, and they still get it fucking wrong. Oh my god. Oh my god. God!
What's the matter with me? Oh, I wish that I could let you love. Wish that I could let you love me.
Come on, Grandad, put your foot down. Let's get above 10 miles an hour. Ooh, 13. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, good heavens, BMW, that's a bus stop. It almost opened his door on me as well, the tosser. Wow, wow, intelligent that one. Grandad, come on, please, man. Just put your foot down, please. Where are you going? Oh my god. Oh no, no, no. Come on, Grandad. Seems to be leaking as well. Well, I've had enough now. I've had enough, to be honest.
What was that? Well, let go of it there. Don't open it.
Did somebody just crash into somebody else?
Do you know what? I don't know. I heard something. Yeah, they did.
Incompetence, man. Dirty, 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 dirty bitch. Ugh. Dirty bitch. It's not a bad looking bike, is it? It didn't even have the hazard lights on. Oh no. Because we all know that hazard light makes parking like a knobhead completely acceptable. He didn't even have his hazard lights on. What's up? Beep. Ooh. Oh no. My voice broken. Ooh. So if you don't want to wait in your Audi, jump on a curb, it's fine, jump on a curb, man. It's all good, it's all good. What the fuck are you doing, man? Jesus Christ, use your fucking eyes, dickhead. Fucking backwards, old man.
When are we getting married?
Oh, we're not getting married.
We are.
We're not.
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 Yes, we are.
We're not.
Yes, we are.
We're not.
We are.
We're not.
We are.
We're not.
We are.
We are not.
We are. And what I says goes. Do you understand, Benjamin?
Yes, dear.
Right. Okay. And for that, we'll leave that discussion there.
Get out.
For once.
Get out. Don't beep at me, you prick. You see me coming, you should have waited, shouldn't you? Alex, back me up, back me up.
She did see you come in.
So what is she? A dickhead?
Yeah.
Say it then.
She's a dickhead.
Thank you. Oh dear, oh dear, dear, dear. That was him from the other video, wasn't it? That was him that was picking his nose
Yeah,
and
I was
wiping
going to say that was a nose picker.
and wiping on his seat. That dirty, 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 dirty man. I remember some cars that I see. Oh, even the baby's upset now. Oh.
Add that to my
Special.
and I'll get Pepsi Max into we've got some treat to drink.
Oh wow. That is a sexy looking bus. Just get in the turn lane. Get in the turn lane. Get in the turn lane. Alex, you tell them. They can't hear you, but just do it anyway.
Get in the turn lane!
Get in the turn lane. I swear to God, get in the turn lane or I'm overtaking you. Should we moan or not? Because the police just walked past him. Why didn't they tell him to move? Why didn't they just say, look mate, you're parked that silly as a woman. Not that women are, I don't know, I just ruined that for myself, haven't I? I love women. I love women.
Sure, why not?
Women are awesome. They can't drive though.
Whoa!
Mummy, go faster then.
Daddy just scared me.
I wanted those birds, but they flew away.
Well, we're nearly home. Don't whinge or you get out.
What's all the way?
Okay, you have to wait a minute.
There's enough for me.
I can't a minute. We're stuck in traffic.
Did you let me go as well? Thank you, man. Cheers,
I
duder.
don't think he was, you know.
Well, he was stopped, Alexi.
Yeah, but then he moved forward as you went on.
No, he was stopped there for no reason whatsoever. No, I don't care. We've got camera to prove it. He
Yeah,
was stopped.
and it
There
proves
was
that he
nothing
moved.
in front
He
of
moved.
After that van went,
Yeah.
he could have gone. He didn't. He stayed there.
Yeah, and then as you went, he went.
Yeah, that's his fault. He let me go. I was already out on the road, so you can't just stop. Yeah, let everyone assume that you're letting them go and then drive towards them. You can't do that. That's stupid.
I told you, exactly, you're stupid.
Ooh, what's occurred? What? Can't see a thing 'cause you got your fucking high beams on, knobhead. Oh, inconsiderate bunch of fuckers. Don't like the police. Not a big fan, to be honest. Music on, Maisie Mill? Got some music on? You've made it difficult, haven't you? Oh, that sounds about right, doesn't it? A BMW driving with steamed up windows. Please do it. Just call it a dirty bitch.
Dirty bitch.
Poor, man. Poor. Poor, Alexi.
Poor, yeah.
Poor. That was poor. Dirty bitch. Give us some energy. Alexi, go.
No.
Seeing as he already started, I think it'll be nice.
There's anything new, you can't see around that corner.
He could see me. He could see me. But I thought it'd be nice instead of running over. Minus 10 points for me that time. Roundabout foul number 1. What?
Number 1.
Well, no, because it's going to be a mess, isn't it? No one ever seems to get this right. Oh, we're doing one of those, alright? Yes, he's failed it. Yes, he's failed it. Yes, he's failed it. He's going to fail it. No, he's not. No, he's not, Alexi. Yes, he is. He's failed it.
But at least he touched roundabout.
He's failed it. Oh, now we've got incompetence blocking the fucking thing. Jesus Christ, I told you it's going to be a mess, didn't I? What did I tell you?
It was going to be a mess.